And good morning. Today's your update for February 2nd, 2015. And the word today, again, folks, is crazy. Crazy. The market started upwards, then, well, actually a little bit down, shot up, then it shot way down more than 100 points on the Dow. Now it's back up it's down only 63 points. Let's take a look at what's going on. First of all, the Genius indicator is decidedly moving down. That's bad. We've got a red arrow here because it's closed underneath the red standard deviation line on the New York Stock Exchange. That's bad. Parabolic SAR, that's bad. So we have to go from a yellow market because we have 3 lower lows in a row, and we have to turn this into a red market again. That's just the rules, folks. So we are back to a red market. Now, what you'll notice here over the last several weeks is that we've had very short durations in our yellows, greens, and even our red market. Now, this red one was the longest one, but if we look back in time, some of our red markets have been really long, and some of our green markets have been really long, which means that we have trends that apply both directions. Right now, we are in a very choppy market, very range-bound market, and the range is trying to go lower. So again, we're in a bear market, folks. No matter how you slice it, they're using all of these gains to sell against those prices. And so if you think there's going to be a trend to the upside, it's like swimming upstream right now. It's a lot easier to sell than it is to buy. And those of you that have been trying to buy the leaders, you know that the leaders are trying to go up, but they're just not doing it. And so as soon as they go up, they give it up on volume, and then they go down the other side. So we are just getting into a red market starting today. Unless we have this incredible turnaround, which I don't think we are. I think we're going lower. And let me show you where I think we're going. I think we're going down to this level of this low, which happened on the 6th of January. That's where the stock market wants to go test and do a triple test. Notice there's 3 lows at that spot, or there's 2 now. There's going to be another one. And how that comes into our envelope, we have this envelope which seems to be the bounce point. And it has been the bounce point for several years, actually. It's about 80% of the time that it's a bounce point, and it bounces right around that day or the next day or the day after very quickly from that period of time. It'll bounce. So we might get a bounce at this point. I don't think that's the beginning of an uptrend. I don't think it's the beginning of a green market. Again, it's a choppy market, and it's the market where if you're on the short side, you probably have a better chance of making money than if generally you're on the long side. So right now the market's gone from yellow to red, and since it's gone to red, that means you should be out of your green positions, out of your long positions, taking those profits, and you should be trying to make some profits on the short side. Market could turn around at any point, and it certainly will when it gets down to test this area, we think. But right now, you don't want to be trying to swim upstream. That's the market update for today. Good luck, folks.